Are you an agency looking to level up your project management and team collaboration? In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up Mondaycom, one of the most popular work operating systems tailored specifically for agencies. By the end of this video, you'll have a customized agency board ready to centralize your tasks, streamline communication, and keep your clients happy and your projects on track. Let's get started right away. First, if you haven't already, go ahead and open Mondaycom in your browser. You'll want to log into your account so you can access all the features we'll be covering today. If you're new to Mondaycom, don't worry, starting out is simple, and I'll walk you through every step. Now, once you're on the main dashboard, it's time to create the workspace where all your agency magic will happen. Look towards the left side of the screen for your workspace options. You'll see an Add Item or Plus button. Click on that to get started. This is like building the foundation for your agency's digital headquarters, a place where your team and projects will live and breathe. After clicking Add Item, you'll see an option to create a new board. Go ahead and select Board. This is essentially how Mondaycom organizes individual project flows, client pipelines, or internal task lists. Next, you'll be prompted to start with Template. I recommend choosing this option because templates can save you a ton of time and provide proven structures, especially for agencies juggling multiple clients or projects. It's a bit like starting with a blueprint rather than a blank canvas. In the template selection dialog, there's a handy search bar right at the top. Here's a little trick: type agency into the search field. This brings up all board templates designed specifically with agencies in mind. Take a moment here to scroll through the list. You'll see various options, each designed to help organize client work, marketing campaigns, creative requests, or even internal resources. If you're unsure which one to choose, Mondaycom often offers a quick preview or see how it works option. Click on that if you want a guided tour around the template. Think of it as a showroom walkthrough before you decide which model fits your own agency's needs. Once you've picked out the template that looks best for your workflow, it's time to make it truly your own. This step is all about personalization. Click to open the template and then start editing the details. Don't be shy about changing item names, adding columns that reflect your agency's specific processes, or tweaking automations for efficiency. For example, you might want to rename project to the actual client name or split due dates by team roles. Remember, this board isn't just a static checklist, it's your agency's command center. Put yourself in the shoes of a new team member or a client. Does each section make sense? Could you add status updates, client feedback columns, or even custom tags for campaign phases? Take your time here, experiment with colors, and invite a colleague for another set of eyes if you like. Don't worry if you aren't sure about every detail right now. You can always refine and adjust as you use the board over time. And that's it, your personalized agency board is now set up and ready. You've laid the foundation for a smarter way to manage projects, clients, and your entire team's collaborative workflow. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's another Mondaycom feature you'd like explained in detail. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.